This needs to go, no?
Yes.
Piece of shit. Is it welded on?
Yes. So you need to white pen. When we break this frame down, and we do all the over welding of everything that we can't get to while it's like this, you need to white pen things like that you're earmarking for cutting off.
Oh, okay. And today we're doing a frame support and coil mount. We need to fit our coil under the tank. Where it was then? The coil mount.
Where was it?
Yeah.
Under there.
Okay.
But the tank was wider.
Oh, that's why.
But we've got a thinner tank, so the tank is really thin.
Yeah.
So that means the two,
I almost forgot
the two bum
the old
bits
tank.
of it.
I'm thinking about the old tank, about the black one.
Nah.
The first one we had on. Oh, look at that. That's so sexy. Just look at that.
If you can get turned on by a set of yokes, then yes, they're very sexy. Thank you, Fast Tech. Look at the stops.
I know.
It's a lot better than my just Allen bolt. Yes.
So today is frame.
Today, engine
welding,
frame supports back in before we get any more hate mail about the fact we've cut the supports out. And coil mount. And then I think we should look at plating the back half of this lot to get our footrest hangers on.
We need to blank them.
What?
We need to blank them.
Blank?
Blank.
Blank?
Yeah, blank.
What does blank mean? Yeah, I think we should blank these.
Blank?
Should blank them, yeah.
What it means blank?
Yeah, MOT exempt, tax exempt.
Blank them.
Blank them.
Fucking hell, help me out here. How do you explain when you're blanking something?
You're plugging it.
Plug it.
You're putting a
Cover it. Cover it.
We left them because we didn't know where.
No, we didn't know where they were going to mount. And they're going to mount slightly forward of this area here anyway. We're going to make some new pegs.
Yeah.
We're going to have to cut this lug off of this lever and move it to about here. Because we need to pull down our rod because we're running a drum brake. We need to pull our rod down. So we need to cut this off there, just move it there.
Okay.
And then get that recoated. Perhaps cut that off and make a new toe peg. We can make a new one of those as well if you want. If we've got time, we can make all of these. If we run out of time before we get to bike shed, then we'll bring it back and we'll remake all of these. Let's get the coils out of the spares box. We'll get the tank off, and then we'll have a look at what space we've got underneath the tank for the coils. Good idea.
Yeah.
Bitten.
It smells of like ashtray here. Like everyone was throwing cigarettes. It smells like ashtray here.
It's your bitten. When's the last time you emptied it? This is your work area.
Actually,
I'm not here to look after your work area.
I have my rubbish bag in my toolbox. Want a proof?
This is your area.
Yeah, but
I don't look after this area.
Okay, if it is my area, what's this doing? When this appeared on my area? And ring polishing things.
That's for Iggy's rings. He constantly needs to polish his rings.
My video guy, when he's not filming, he's polishing his rings all the time.
Yes.
Puts the camera down and polishes his rings. See how nice and polished they are.
That doesn't have to be there, the English wheel, and nor does the former.
Every single time I come in, like what's this big ugly tank doing on my toolbox?
Big what?
Big ugly tank.
Well, we were thinking about using it, and then you changed your mind.
No, we were thinking about using black one, which is in the box.
But that was seven episodes ago.
But that one, I was never ever thinking of using.
See what I mean? There's far too many women in here. What was he talking about? Coils. Shut up, you.
Can you tell the audience who are not very familiar what coils are, why we need coils on the bike? What they do? Do they send a spark?
Coils receive electricity from the generator and a pulse from the points. And there's a coil in it, loads of copper wire, and that amplifies the electricity it's given to vary a lot, like thousands of volts. And then in between those and the points opening and closing will create a spark.
Here we go.
So if we feed those with 12 volts, we feed them from the ignition, and then the other wires come from the points. The points will break the ignition, which creates a pulse on the spark, but timed. So ba 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 ba, or ba 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 ba. And when the piston's at top dead centre, the spark's created. Piston flies down because it explodes. Flies down like that. Causes inertia, turns the crank, which goes to the clutch, goes to the chain, goes to your wheel. And then when the piston comes back up again, everything's closed. On its second stroke, it goes down, the inlet valve opens, squirts some fuel in, inlet valve shuts, piston comes up, spark, piston goes down, piston goes back up again. On its way back up, the exhaust valve opens and lets the exhaust out. There's 4 strokes.
Yeah.
Suck,
Squeeze, bang, blow.
The die-hard Honda fans out there will notice that we've taken out this frame support. We've added a little bit back here, but we're going to put another little bit in up here because it was quite bulky, and people are going, oh, it's not going to handle right, the frame flexes, blah 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 blah, with the fact that this tube here hasn't got much support. I, on the other hand, don't think that that's the case, because I don't think we're going to be ragging this around the TT course.
No.
Maybe. But
you never know.
So what we're going to do is we're going to incorporate our coil mount with a couple of supports for the frame. Still high enough to get the tank on, or low enough to get the tank on, high enough so when we take the engine out, we've got enough room to take the engine out. 1, 2, 3.
Gonna get new ones.
4. Oh, these are bonded in the coils. You can get new caps. We can clean your leads.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So that's that. So we need tank.
We need tank.
Yes, tank.
Tank.
Yep.
Is it on?
No, I'm on this rubber. Yeah, you need to push up. Are you on your rubber? Try and look rather than use your hand.
Try and look. I can't see fuck all.
Oh, I can see it here.
Ouch!
Mind your head. What have you done? What did you do?
Hit my head to this.
On the handlebar. Is it bleeding?
Don't know.
Yeah, there's a lot of blood.
No, it's not.
No, there's no blood. Mind your head on the handlebar. D, concentrate. Try and have a look at what you're doing. You're on.
I'm on.
You're on. And we just need to
Going
put
down
them
the
under there, because we will be using. We need to make this bar shorter. But I do want to rubber mount it. Yeah, that's good. Why is it?
It's not fitting because of the coil. It's on one side. It fell off.
How's that now?
That's better. That's how it's supposed to be. Don't forget it's going to be higher.
You've got all grumpy now because you hit your head.
Because it hurts.
Pain is weakness leaving the body.
Jesus Christ. Says the man who's constantly moaning about his feet and back and non-existing finger.
Got on with the day. Bit of gaffer tape round it. Just got on with it. Well, run to A&E actually, but that's... Right, have we got enough room? Ooh, it's tight. Have to go back there a little bit. Look, it's loads of room up there.
That's all. Yeah. So how are we gonna mark where it will sit? That's a lot of room. If we go even further, look.
Yeah, we've got. Where's our bars gonna go?
So okay, if I'm gonna hold it just like that, and you take the tank off.
All right. Where's my pen? Hang on a minute. I'm just gonna mark that where it is.
I knew you were gonna do it.
Right, hang on, I'm going to mark where it is. That's it, I got it. Right, we could afford to go a little bit lower like that, can't we?
Yeah.
Okay. That's bloody good. That's bloody good.
Well, just quickly show your boobs before doing the work. That Simon drew a pair of new brackets.
Boobies!
Then he drew some other parts, body parts as well, and then was ashamed of himself and stopped drawing it.
I had a fanny on it. Where's my cup of tea? Where's my tea?
I don't know.
You distracted me with the brackets.
We made a decision that it looks nicer if the coil sits straight like this, not like that.
You've hidden my cup.
I'm making one. I'm explaining to the audience what we're doing.
It's not important. I found it where you hid it.
And that's mint cherry. Maybe in the last episode you saw Simon taking apart and Adam taking apart. And look at this now. A couple of days later, looks like a bike.
3 days.
So for everyone who's worried about this bike not being finished for bike shed, we have ages. We have like days, weeks, months, 2 months left.
You're building that, I'm not. I can build a bike.
But you're my teacher, so you're gonna teach me how to speed work.
That's what makes it twice as long.
Yeah, but like if you build this in 2 days, I'm gonna build this in 2 months. That's 30 times.
Bit of bad maths in there, I think.
Anyway,
we digress.
yeah.
Yeah, this will get
That's
done.
it, if I'm not gonna die building it, hitting my head into butts. Coming back to the brackets, we're making one boob short and one long.
One boob longer than the other. Not every woman's perfect in this world, you know. Telling you that for nothing.
There's the man who has one long arm.
Which one was it? This one or this one? still got boobies on this one. Yeah?
Yes.
Just need them zapping on there for now. Or we'll just tack them on for now. We'll get the tank back on. Make sure that we're still good.
Yeah. Set. Look at this. Look at them brackets.
They're the best made brackets that have been made in here today.
They are beautiful, aren't they?
They are.
I'm getting better.
Truly, truly, truly outstanding piece of engineering.
Exactly. They are better than original Honda brackets. Like, look at this one and look at mine.
All right.
Huh. Everything fits. You can't even see it.
Good job. I'm very, very impressed.
Happy day.
Oh, happy days. Right.
Okay. Now we need to put the support on today.
Yes.
How are we going to do that?
We're going to
Use this.
let me have a little look what we can do here. Right, if we go, wow, that's going to be tight.
You said that when we did the brackets as well, but it fits just perfectly.
What? You know what I mean? Have you got your? Oh, you've got your. Look at the state of her face. Look at the side of her nose. Look. What's all that about? Prince Charming.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't you?
No.
Oh, it's a very, very famous British music person. He had a white stripe on his nose.
Look, if we're gonna do it like this,
Yeah.
it's gonna fit. Like this.
Yeah. I think we should try and go under. So here,
Yeah.
Yeah. there to
And
there.
here in the middle. So in the middle of this.
Yes. That's more or less where the old tube was.
Inside.
Right, so you need to just cut these two to length.
Yeah.
Gonna get a Sharpie. How many Sharpies have you used?
I haven't used any. I used the white thing.
If I just do a quick, hang on. Let me just do a quick. Like that. And then we'll match that on that one. Cut them both. With that little bit of angle, because then we can see it underneath there. You see the angle I've done on it? Is that Lithuanian, is it? Have you lost the power of speech? Whack in your head. That's what's done that, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Should whack it more often.
I just got smarter.
I should whack it more often. Bloody big hammer. Why are we using steel bar instead of tube?
Because it's a lot stronger than tube.
Yes,
if
it
we would
is.
have a tube, it would have to be about that big
It
to
would.
have the same strength in this steel bar, which is
Very strong.
solid and very strong.
Correct.
No more comments about the frame being not strong enough and having not enough of support. Please.
Thank you.
We know what we're doing here. At least one of us.
That's it.
Like this?
In there. Do you want me to tack that? And then
But we
we'll
have
match
to
the
check
other side.
the other side. You think you can tack it? Oh yeah. So how about tapping this?
What? I thought we were going to go to the. I thought we were going to go to the tube.
Oh, to the tube. Okay. Oh, that's even better.
Yes.
Yeah.
No. Back out to you a little bit. Stop.
This?
Stop.
Okay.
Don't move. Don't fucking move. I did a safety squint.
Safety screw.
Yeah.
On top?
Yeah, take that one.
Yeah. Okay. And now the other side. Just to match it.
What are you measuring it with?
With vernier.
Hello there. Hello there. Was it? Don't suppose Olin's have been in touch to supply us 2 brand new shock absorbers, have they?
No. We haven't been in touch, unfortunately. Not yet. That's it. It's just perfect.
Is it?
So good. Holding it. Fits like a glove.
Don't move. Can't speak, does it?
Oh,
Boom.
boom and boom, just like that.
Yes. Can you try your tank again?
Yep.
Because it might be a little bit fat here.
Because this side moved in more. Okay. Important
That looks
movement.
pretty cool, actually.
Looks really good. Oh, happy day! Look at this! And that tube looks really nice, actually.
Yeah, good job. We'll TIG that so that the weld's nice.
Yeah. It's so much better than the previous big.
And stronger.
And it's stronger
Yeah,
than the previous one.
because we've got the back gussets as well, the 2 big plates at the back. So actually that centre tube now is only about that long.
That's so good. So
Yeah.
good. And once you take the tank off, it's still sexy!
Still sexy. Jonesy.
Because I go to the gym, so when I take my clothes off, I look still sexy. The bike needs to be done, so when you take the tank off and the seat fan off, it still looks sexy.
Trust me, I look a lot sexier with my clothes on.
Because you don't go to the gym.
I went to the gym once, didn't I, and had a cup of coffee.
What?
Good job, Dee.
Good day today.
Good job.
We did it. We did the coil arms.
Coil mount and the frame support.
And still can take the coil off with
Yeah,
no problem.
yeah.
Everything's.
We've got loads of
yeah.
clearance to get the engine in
Yeah,
and out.
loads. Yeah, I can put my hand underneath.
Yeah,
Brilliant.
it's quite
And
tricky.
everything fits.
Yeah. I'll tell you what else we could mount there that would hide it because of the tank. The horn.
Here.
Yeah. Because who wants to look at a horn?
I don't want to look at the horn.
Next episode is going to be, you can TIG all this lot up. No, you don't need to be seeing that. So the next episode, I think we need
Are
to
you saying
concentrate.
are you saying my welds are not good enough?
No, your welds are fine. No, we're brilliant. But I think the next episode we need to concentrate on the footrest hangers and the exhaust mounts.
Yeah.
I also think
I want to take this off now.
that we should be able to clear everything with the kickstart. Ooh. We might have to put a flip up peg on.
For kickstart.
Flip it up. Yeah, that's if you want to kickstart it, but we'll have a button, won't we?
I'd love to have a kickstarter.
As well as a button.
Oh yeah.
I can give you just kickstart.
No. Let's have a button as well.
I go to the gym. I don't want to kickstart
You
on the
don't.
button.
It's not about the gym, isn't it? You would kickstart with one go, and I would spend half a day learning how to kickstart. It's not about that. It's not about the strength, isn't it? I can squat 100 kilograms 50 times, but still not be able to kickstart because it's technique.
Yeah, it's getting it to
Here we go.
top dead.
Nothing to do with the gym.
Now go back up to top.
Yeah.
Now, let it click. Let it click.
What? No.
Now go for it.
I'm gonna do it.
Is that all the way down? Did that
All the way
go all the way down and stop then?
Yeah.
Do it
and
again?
look good here.
Goes a lot further down. Full kick. That's it. You know when that sprung back then and hit you on the back of the leg?
A little bit, yeah.
If you've got a metal
Yeah,
one
we'll
on
feel
there,
it.
that, yeah,
Okay, I need
that
rubber.
stings. So we'll stick with the rubber.
It's not that bad rubber, isn't it? I'm gonna clean it.
That's all right. It's got
Oh my
Honda written
god,
on it.
and it has it's saying
Kickstarter written on it.
Oh my god, we're gonna do it in white.
In case you've forgotten what it is.
Yeah, I know.
What's this lever?
'Cause we
Is
don't
is it a coffee machine? What does this do?
I'm gonna kickstart.
Oh, it's a Kickstarter.
I'm
Thank
gonna
you,
go
Honda
to
son.
places and kickstart my bike.
That's it. Oh.
I'm gonna put it back. Like Catwoman.
Good girl, Pickle Parry.
Happy days.
Happy days.
I can't wait.
What do?
Yeah. It's time for us to go, isn't it?
She said,
Time for
you should
Daddy
have
to
been in
sleep."
bed at 3 o'clock, Dad, because that's when we have our nap.
Okay. The tank will stay silver,
Yeah.
but the back end will be black.
That's proper old school looking. TT bike, that is. Silver tank, black
Is
seat
it?
up.
I'm gonna take it to the Isle of Man.
Ride it to Isle of Man. Or
Yeah.
van it over there and do a lap on Mad Sunday. Yeah, I think Jonesy's got a lot of
Adventures ahead.
adventures lying ahead of him.